Hello everyone. Divide the hair into two parts. At the top, make a ponytail, roll the ponytail in on itself, make two braids out of it, roll this upwards, tie it up in place. Take a section and then do this at the top. Tie a rubber band at the back and then make two braids out of it, adjust it accordingly, add a hair stick through it. Make two braids at the back. Take a section at the top and then make a braid at the bottom, join it to the top ponytail. Make a braid on the side, roll it upwards and then make it into a bow-like shape. Add a pin to it. Tie a ponytail to the hair, add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself. Add a braid through the center, make a bow shape out of it and roll it up. Take a section from the middle of the scalp and then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Tie it up to the back ponytail. Roll it upwards as such. Take a section off the top, make a ponytail out of it. Add multiple rubber bands in the middle, equal length. Roll it up slightly. Tie it up in the middle, it should look like a bow. Take a section off the top and then braid the hair. Loosen it slightly using your fingers. Wrap it around the ponytail that is there at the bottom. Make two braids at the top. Now, using the two braids as a section, include another section of the hair into this braid as you progress. Continue to do this until you reach the bottom, make a ponytail at the bottom. Roll the hair in on itself, lift it up and tie it in place. Add a ribbon to the top of the scalp. Take a section from the front. Using the ribbon as a section, make a braid out of it. Take the back portion of the hair and then braid the hair as such. Braid it using the ribbon braid as one of the sections. Take a section off the top and then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. This will be a French braid. After you are done with it, roll it up and add a decorative rubber band. Make a braid at the top and then at the bottom make two sections, wrap it around the braid, roll this section in on itself, tighten it ever so slightly. Join it at the back in the form of a braid, tie it up. Divide the hair into two sections and then begin to braid the hair as such. Make a fishtail braid out of it. Take a section off the top of the scalp, tie a rubber band, roll the hair in on itself. Tie a ponytail at the bottom and then make a braid out of it. Loosen the sections of the braid as such. Tie a ponytail at the back, braid half of it, lift it up slightly and tie it up as such. Wrap the rest of the hair around it as a bun. Tie it up in place and then use a decorative clip. Make a braid from the front section. At the back, make a section out of it, roll it into a bun. At the back, make a braid out of it. In the side, make a ponytail, tie a rubber band in the middle of one of the sections of the ponytail, roll it in on itself, pull the other section through it. Lift it up ever so slightly and then tie it up as a bow. Make multiple sections into it, add multiple rubber bands and loosen it. Tie a low ponytail using a disco rubber band. Make a braid out of the lower half of it. Loosen it using your fingers as such. Wrap it around the bow. Take a small section of the hair from the front and then make a braid out of it. Make a ponytail at the back, adjust it accordingly. Thank you for watching.